Hello everyone, it's time for your urgent dose of internet. This guy sets his own parachute on fire and then he pulled another parachute a few seconds later. These guys figured out how to make work just a little bit more fun.
¡Ole, venga!
This genius crab used a jellyfish as a defense system to protect itself from predators.
Stove, which goes into a bun divider. Push this down, divide it, and now we're going to round it for a few seconds. And voila, you have equal 36 pieces.
This dog has a weird condition, which whenever he's excited, he faints for about a second. His owner checked in with different vets to find a cure, but turns out it's completely harmless. The owner stated that her dog is pretty happy and doesn't seem to be bothered with his condition.
Whenever he gets excited, he freezes and falls over.
That's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.